So everybody knows what this is. This is a Daisy Red Ryder. I'm sure a lot of us grew up with these back in the day, and they've been around forever. So there's a lot of different versions that they came out with down the road. If you look back on, Wikipedia or Google, you can find like all the original ones, like all the way back to like the Christmas Story, which we all know. Anyway, this is the newest version, and with the popularity of 3D printers and manufacturing things a lot simpler, people have started coming out with a lot of different accessories for these things that I thought were pretty cool. So I have two of those different accessories here from Buck Rail, and it is a Picatinny top rail mount and a bipod attachment that hooks onto this rigidity tube down here. And so I'm going to throw these on and then like put a simple scope on this and see how it does. I was testing some other stuff, and while I was out there, I decided just to throw some BBs in this, these Crossman Copperheads, which is, used to come in the little milk carton and everything. But I printed these at 10 yards, and the accuracy was pretty bad. So definitely in my head, I thought it was going to be a lot better than this going into it, just because my memories of shooting my first Red Ryder was like, oh man, it was so accurate. Like I could hit, pine cones from like forever away and like stuff like that, But it did pretty bad. So I'll throw up the groups on the screen here with the measurements and everything. But I thought it would be fun to put a scope on this, just something cheap or whatever, and see if it could get a little bit more accurate and just have some more fun with it. And then later down the road, I have some different BBs coming because I heard that sometimes the different BBs do a lot better than these. So I have some of those precision Daisy BBs coming to try out in this and then kind of see how they did against these cheap Copperhead ones. And so that's it. So I'm just going to throw these on. It's really simple. You're going to end up just taking this back screw off and sliding out the elevation piece right here, and then this slides in, and then you replace the screw with a couple washers and then tighten it all back down, and then the bipod attachment just kind of clamps around it. So there's these two little Allen head screws here, which they provide the little Allen key for, and you just clamp it onto that basically. So I'm just going to install these and then go have some fun. All right, so two quick little cheap, easy upgrades. And so now I'm just going to go take it out and shoot it a little bit. But first, I need to put some accessories on it. So let's see. Probably like a Accutac bipod and probably this AGM thermal. Will probably be perfect on this. So there you go. All right, it's ready to go. Shoot some paper.